Hello guys, welcome to my 1-minute video tutorial using Vieka. First, go to Play Store and download Vieka application. Second, open the app and choose your desired template. Third, click the Use button and choose the photos you want to edit. Fourth, click the text button and type your description. Fifth, click the text and drag it to your desired position. 6. Click the duration button of the text and adjust it for the right timing. And 7. Click the play button to review the video and export it. And there you have it guys. Thank you and God bless.